How often do you spill on yourself?
On myself?
On yourself.
Just when I'm eating.
So every day.
Depending on what I'm eating.
It's every day.
Not every day.
It is for me.
Yeah, I'm not that bad, bro. It depends on what it is.
I can't have nice things.
Like Taco Bell's falling out of my shit.
Taco like In and Out. Like the other day, like bro, I posted, and this was like 6 months ago when this was my office. I took off my shirt and I ate my pizza because I was afraid,
real.
bro.
That's real.
I'm in my office.
I'm not betting on myself.
I'm not betting on myself because every time I do, I fail, bro. I lose all my shit. Like I lose. I can't own anything white ever. Like because for whatever reason, I swear I have an octopus in my pocket. Right, everything will just fuck it up. Can't wear white pants. Can't have a white shirt. Like I don't have any white polos.
I don't wear white because I'm fat.
Really?
Yeah.
How does that work?
I just feel like it makes you look like the Michelin Man.
Okay. Yeah, but I can't wear any. That's where a lot of my money goes.
On clothes?
On clothes, because I ruin it. Like, because we eat a ton of ramen, right? Mm-hmm. And like eating noodles and shit. I have to take off my shirt at the dinner table if I'm wearing anything nice, because
and it just splash all off.
And it splashes all up it.
That's why Zeno loves you so much, bro. You guys are very identical. He's like, my dad's just like me.
No, he's worse, believe it or not.
Well, he should be. He's younger.
Right? He's 4.
Yeah. We went to go buy my daughter, the baby, some clothes because she's fucking big, right?
she's a chunk.
She's gonna be what, 8 months? And we bought her 18, 24-month clothes. And her belly be hanging out. Like when it comes, like her belly be hanging out. And my wife's like, she needs new clothes. I'm like, no, she don't. I'm like, let her have her belly hang out. This shit's still cute. You know what I mean? But the thing is, she got these big old thick thighs, so the shorts don't fit her. And so we're just bullshitting. My other daughter, she wears like a between a 4 to 6. My 4-year-old, and we had just put on some of the 4s that she had or whatever, and they were a little bit big around the waist, but they fit her legs really good. And so then we went to the store and we bought a bunch of 2T. So my 8-month-old daughter, it wears 2T.
You're kidding.
And I bought like 3 pairs of black shorts and the little cloth ones, and 3 pair of black tights. And my wife's like, why do you get so many? I think you can never have enough black.
You can never.
I fucking buy 10 black t-shirts at a time, the same one. And my wife's seen a jacket and she's like, oh, I like this one. She was like, I don't know what color to get. I'm like, just get one of each color. She's like, I don't buy things that are the same in different colors. I'm like, why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you?
You like it?
You like, bro, it fits the same.
If it's the same, you like it. It's clean. Like, that's my thought process with everything. I found like a black shirts that I like, bro. I buy them in bulk. And I say, I know it's time to do laundry when I can't find a black shirt.
Okay.